gonna make 10 inches. Oh, that's gonna be a nice one trucking, folks. You hit harder than you are. But it's 10. Felt bigger. The way it hit. Catching a couple fish this morning, easy. Easy this morning after this rain. I got my motor running because I need to recharge my battery. For some reason, overnight, my battery died on me, so I'm gonna let that motor run. Sorry for the background noise. Hey YouTube, I just got a phone call when I got on the water from a very special guest who just happened to be passing over Lake Oconee, coming home from out of town. So, I got a special guest that'll be on this water in a little bit. So stay tuned. That's a small fish. That's a small fish. We're gonna throw you back there. She ain't big, folks, but she won. Catching crappie, catching crappie. Going out here now. Yeah. Oh, this one's another nice one. That's another nice one. I'll be pooping on my boat, man. Come on. Look at all that drop off of you. Pooping on my boat. Big Shirley on Sunday morning. Say it's crappie, crappie on Sunday morning. I said it's crappie, the crappie on Sunday morning. I wanna be fried, so fried. I wanna fry them with some French fries or hush puppies. I wanna be free. Going out of here now. Yeah. All right, YouTube, I told you I had a special guest coming. Look who joined me on the water today, coming home from South Kakalaka. It is my cousin Tina. Say something to the folks. Say something to the folks. It's been a while since Tina and I got on the water, but every time we do, we have a blast. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. You want to put the chair up there?
We go to
Look, reach down in there and grab yourself a life jacket.
no problem.
That little dot right here. That's me.
Oh, okay.
And you'll see the fish chasing it. This one might keep. Oh yeah, this one's gonna keep. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's gonna keep, folks. That's a big Shirley. Ooh, fat belly, fat belly. You got it? Look at the belly on that fish right there. Look at this fat, 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 fat. Big Shirley in the house, Big Shirley. That's it, that's all you need to reel. Just swing it back.
Well, look, that's so get back in the damn water.
I got it. That gonna win. Look how the wind got this fish blowing. Look how the wind got, well, it just stopped. We got it blowing in the air. Hey, give me all of this hook, man. How you playing? You gotta keep too much. Just open up the bell a little bit.
Okay.
Just like. Now close the bell. And then just swing it. Ready. There you go.
It's one Earl.
And it's bigger than where I caught.
It was? Okay.
Yeah, it's bigger. That's one.
Huh?
Finally, one of them come together. Drop down on his head. But if you throw out too far, you just make the adjustment and bring your line in. There you go, there you go, there you go. Try to bring that fish out of there. There you go. Just stop reeling and swing too.
All right. Woo! I caught one more than Earl. We can go now. Is it on?
Yes, sir.
It's a big one. I think this is the biggest one. What you think? And I got one more than Earl. Grab my phone. All right, folks. We got whitecaps on the water. 25, 30 mile an hour gust winds. We're going to get off this water. We'll see y'all when we get to the dock. Hey, YouTube. I messed around and let Tina get out of here without saying bye. My bad. And we didn't take any pictures or anything like that of the fish that we caught. But here is the catch for today. The wind just got to be too much for me to be out there working, bouncing around hard to throw my jigs. I went to a heavier jig of 1/16 ounce, and that wind was still blowing pretty good. But we still catch some fish in the wind. It's just much more work than I'm willing to put into. So, as always, folks, thank you so much for watching. I definitely appreciate all of those who have already subscribed to this channel. My long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. And for new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across my channel and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos. Until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.